In this Easy Hits for You video review, I want to just give you a brief overview as to why you would want to use the site if you're an advertiser or a e-business consultant like myself. Now, Easy Hits for You is a very misunderstood traffic exchange, manual surf one, which means you've got two choices. You have to manually surf all of your credits, or you can buy credits and then part surf. So in other words, you're making up the difference yourself. But either way, one of the reasons I like to use it, and one of the reasons traffic exchanges in the main are very much misunderstood, is because of this. When you look at the referrals, traffic exchanges are used to get referrals and to get referral credits, which means that you surf even less, but you get paid on the people that you bring to the site, which is what surfing online is all about, affiliate marketing. Now on this site here, I want to show you that I have 22 referrals, and my current bonus, because I'm a free member, which is why I'm showing you this video, as a free member you get 8% bonus for what your referrals do. Now the main part of this and why you would surf on here is because of the credits. From my referrals I've earned almost 4,000 credits, which is the equivalent of my referral, the website paying me. Now, as you go through the site, you can surf on a 2-to-1 basis, which means for every 2 websites you surf, you get one view back, or a 1-to-1 surf, which means that for every website you surf, you get 1 guaranteed view back. It has all the benefits that you would want to have. You can list as a free member up to 5 websites, which you would do over here. You can get banner impressions as well, and you can get text impressions to go with that as well. When you surf to view other people's websites. They have a vast range of tools that you can use to get people to come to your website to look at it. The daily statistics is there are 1,700,363 current active members on this site at any one time. That's incredible. And as a result of which means that you're surfing, if you can contact your referrals by downline, but one of the reasons that you would want to be on here is because you're going to get good guaranteed traffic to your websites, and even if you only earn a portion of that type of credit there, 3,143 credits, it means that your surfing is a way that you can buy back time, so you don't have to manually surf like some people do all day long just to get some credits up. So that's a basic overview of the Easy Hits for You website. You can join it through the link on my blog, davehayes.co, which will find the link beneath that, and it will be the banner on the right hand side. And also, if you look beneath this video as well and underneath the blog, you will be able to get 50,000 credits just for taking a look at this video and for commenting on it as well. So there we are. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to feel free to like, to comment, and hit the bell button to get notified of all the videos that get uploaded to this channel. But for now, thanks for watching.